Looking back, what values were passed on from your parents to you?
Oh, to do the right thing,
What was the right thing? How did you know?
behave properly, be respectful. And I can tell you the one thing is that I certainly saw was compassion. You never turn anybody away. And my father said, if all you have is a nickel, then you give a nickel. And that was seen as a Jewish value. And love of learning. My father, they didn't have much education, formal education at all, but you know, the books were something to be treasured.